Hello guys, good evening. How you doing? You're welcome to another edition of my YouTube videos or YouTube tutorials. Now, today we are going to be having calculus and a topic in calculus called function of a function. You can call it function of a function, you can call it chain rule, or you can also call it what composite rule. So in our previous class, we treated what product rule. So now, how do you know if a question is a function of a function? Okay, function of a function always carry what? Power. Okay, now we have a following question here. Okay, now we have a question which is number one. So number one, we have y equals to 2x minus 3 raised to power 2. It's not as difficult as you think. It's very, very simple. Okay, well, so what do you do? First step you take, you assign a variable, any alphabet of your choice. You assign a variable to the bracket. Okay, I can simply say let p equals to 2x minus 3. So what you will now do, you differentiate p in respect to x. So we'll be having the p over the x. If I differentiate 2x, it's setting as what? 2. If I differentiate 3, you should know that that's what? 0. Then after that, what do? You rewrite the question in terms of p or in respect to p. So here we are going to be having y equals to everything inside this bracket. You can see that it's the same thing. It's the same thing as what? As p. So p raised to the power of what? Of 2. So this time around, what do? You differentiate your y in respect to p. So we'll be having the y dp that equals to what? 2p. So what's the next step you take? Okay, what we are looking for is what? We are looking for dy dx. Now to get dy dx, so our dy dx is just for you to multiply these two things together. So we'll be having dp over dx, then times dy over dp. So what's dp over dx? dp over dx is sitting as what? As 2. Then time y dy dp is sitting as what? As 2p. 2 times 2p is sitting as what? 4p. Now listen up, you won't just leave your answer like this. You know what's your p? Our p is everything here, which is what? 2x minus 1. So in place of p, you substitute what? 2x minus 1. So we'll be having 4 bracket 2x minus minus 3, not 1. So what do you do here? You can now use this 4 to open this bracket. You'll be having 4 times 2x. We are going to have what? 8x. And 4 times minus 3, we have minus 12. So that is for that, which is for the number 1. So let's move straight up to the question number 2. For number 2 question, we have y equals to 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. What did I say you do? Assign a variable to the bracket. Say let p equals to 2x plus 1. Then you differentiate your p in respect to x. So we'll be having the p over the x equals to, if I differentiate 2x is 2. If you differentiate, you should know that that was 0. Then after that, what you now do, you now rewrite the question in terms of p. So our y is equals to everything inside the bracket is the same thing as p. Now p raised to the power of what? Of 4. You now differentiate your y in respect to p. So we have the y dp. So the y dp give us what? 4p cube. Okay. So this time around, what do? Now, to get your dy dx is for you to multiply these two together. So our dy dx is going to be, so what's, we add the p over the x, then times dy over the p. Now the p over the s is same thing as what? As 2. While dy over the p is sitting as what? 4p cube. So 2 times 4p cube, we have 8p cube. And we are not going to leave our answer like this. We know what our p. Our p is sitting as 2x plus 1. So in place of p, replace it with what? 2x plus 1. So from here, we are going to have 8 bracket 2x plus 1 raised to the power of what? 3. So this is our final answer. No need of you open this bracket. Why? Because of the power. You can see the main reason why I opened this other bracket because there was no power here. So that's it. So I can easily open this. But for you to open this, it's going to take you a very long process again. So instead, you can decide to stop here. So you are correct. So let's move straight to number three. Number three. All right. So for the number three, we have y equals to 4x squared plus 3x then raised to the power of 3. So first step, assign a variable to the bracket. Let p equals to 4x squared plus 3x. So you differentiate your p in respect to x. So we have the p over the x. If I differentiate 4x squared, we have what? 8x. Then if I differentiate 3x, it's written as 3. So the next step, now you rewrite the question in terms of p. So we'll be having y equals to everything inside the bracket is written as p raised to the power of what? 3. So this time around, our dy dp is written as what? 3p squared. So to get dy dx, for you to multiply this and this together. So our dy dx is written as dp over ds times dy over dp. So dp dx is written as 8s plus 3. Then y dy over dp is written as what? Um, 3p squared. And we know what's our p. Our p is written as everything here. So you can leave our answer as 8s plus 3, then 3. Then while our p is written as 4s squared plus 3x raised to power 2. So that's the final answer. You can also decide to use this 3 to open this bracket. Okay, it's still okay. So you can decide to leave your answer like this. It's still perfectly what? Correct. Okay, so let's move straight to question number 4. So for question 4, y is equal to sine s squared. So we can say let p equals to s squared. You differentiate p in respect to x. So we have the p over the s equals to 2x. So this time around, you write your question in terms of p. We have y equals to sine everything here is written as what? P. So if I differentiate sine p, it's written as what? Cos p. So our dy over the p is written as what? Cos p. Now to get dy over the x is for you to multiply these two together. So our dy dx is written as dp over dx times dy over dp. So dp over dx is written as what? 2x. The time y dy over dp is written as cos p. So 2x times cos p, we have 2x cos p. So we are not going to leave our answer like this. We know what our p. Our p is written as what? S squared. So our final answer is going to be 2s cos p is written as what? S squared. So that is the final answer. So let's move straight up to question number 5. So you can assign a variable to that. You can say let p equals to 3x. So differentiate p in respect to x. So our dp over the x is written as 3. So what do? You rewrite the question in terms of p. So we have y equals to sine p. So dy over the s is equals to, over the p, sorry, is equals to cos p. Now to have dy over the s, you multiply these two things together. So here, our dy dx is written as dp over the s times dy over the p. So from there, dp over the x is written as what? 3. Then times dy over the p is written as what? Cos p. So from there, 3 times cos p, we have 3 cos p. Now we know what's our p. P is what? 3x. So in place of p, you can replace it with what? 3x. So our final answer is going to be 3 cos, then 3x. So that's the final answer. So let's move to the last question, which is question number 6. So what did I say you do? Assign an alphabet to the brackets. So let p equals to 6x squared minus 3. So differentiate p in respect to x. So we have the p over the s equals to 6 times 2 is what? Is 12. 12x. So if I differentiate 3 is what? 0. So from here, we will write your question in terms of what? P. So our y will be equal to everything inside the bracket is sitting as what? P. P raised to the power of what? 4. We'll differentiate y in respect to p. So the y, the p is sitting as well. That's 4pq. Now to get the y over the s, you multiply these two together. So the y, the x is sitting as the p over the s times the y over the p. So the p over the s is sitting as what? 12x. Then times the y over the p is sitting as 4pq. So from there, if we multiply this, 4 times 12 is what? 48. So here we have 48, that's 48s pq. And we know what's our x. Our s is sitting as 6s squared minus 3. Sorry, that's our p, sorry. So in place of p, we can replace it with what? 6s squared minus 3. So to get our final answer, it should be 48s, then bracket 6s squared minus 3, then raised to the power of what? 3. So that's the final answer. So thank you very much for your time. Please ensure you like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Okay, don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that when I post new video, YouTube is going to notify you. So bye bye.